Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add the take profit and the stop loss on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 and we have two options. So the first one is you can add your take profit and stop loss before you place your order. And the second option is you can add them after you place your order. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Okay, so let's say for example I want to make a sell. Okay, so my take profit will be here 28.40 and my stop loss will be here 28.90. Okay, so go and click on new order. This is our stop loss 28.90 as we said, and our take profit 28.40. Okay, now click on sell by market, and as you can see here, this is our take profit and this is our stop loss. This is our position. We have here stop loss, we have here take profit, and this is our profit. Okay, PNL. You can change the stop loss if you want. Just click on it and drag it like this. You can change its place. The same thing with take profit. Okay, and now let's add the second option. So let's say, for example, you want to buy this time. Okay, so let's make our buy, this one. And as you can see, we don't have the stop loss and we don't have the take profit. Now, all you have to do is click on one of these. So for example, let's click on take profit. And as you can see here, you can add your stop loss and your take profit. So let's say, for example, I want to make take profit here, 28.90. 28.90. And my stop loss 28.55, because this one is a buy 28.55, and click on modify. Okay, as you can see, we have here the stop loss and we have here the take profit. Okay, and this is our PNL, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.